Hi, good morning. My name is Kaushika Yogaraj. I'm doing my software automation testing course at London School of Emerging Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic which is software testing. Software testing. What is software testing? Software testing is a way to assess the quality of the software and to reduce the risk of software failure in operation. If the software does not work as per the user requirements, such software is called as a faulty software. Testing is actually done to reduce the risk and find the defect in the operation. Actually, there are two types of software testing. One is manual testing, second one is automation testing. What is manual testing? Manual testing, it means testing the application manually by humans. In manual test cases are executed manually, which means by humans. There is no need to use any automation tools and scripts. Actually, in manual testing, the tester verifies the actual behavior of the software with expected behavior. If any difference is found, that is reported as a bug. What are the types of manual testing? One is black box testing, then white box testing, gray box testing, unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. What is black box testing? In black box testing, it which tests the functional requirements of the system. It doesn't know any internal flow of an code. White box testing, as a name suggests, we can know the internal flow of an code. And then gray box testing, this is a combination of two black box and white box testing. And then unit testing. In unit testing, the software is split into modules. These modules are tested separately, that one by one units. That such testing is called as an unit testing. Integration testing is it's a combining of modules done in a unit testing. And then system testing, which is testing a behavior of a system. User acceptance testing, which is done at the end user point of view. It's done after production is launched, which the user acceptance testing will done. What are the manual testing procedures? First one is understanding the requirements. Here the business analyst will help us to understand the requirements from the users, and then based on those requirements, the tester will start to write the test cases. Based on the test cases, the tester will start to conduct the tests manually, and then if there are any fault or bug is found, we will write the good test bug reports, and then finally we'll produce the test results to the team. And then what are the tools used for manual testing? There are a lot of tools available in market for the manual testing. And famous tool is which is called as in Zira tool. What are the advantages and disadvantages of manual testing? In manual testing, live testing is possible, and also the cost of investment is very low. And then the manual testing does not require a lot of programming efforts, and then it has adaptability to change. And then what are the disadvantages of manual testing? Actually, since we are doing a process manually, it consumes a lot of time, and then it has high possibility of human errors because we are doing by humans. What is next? We'll move on to the automation testing. Actually, the automation testing means the tester verifies the actual behavior of the software with the expected behavior by using the automation tools and scripts. What are the types of automation testing? Actually, it's same as the manual testing. One is functional and non-functional testing, which contains these unit testing, integration testing, smoke testing, performance testing, regression testing, and key-driven testing, and data-driven testing. What is the automation testing procedure? First, we will select the tool for the automation testing, and then we have to define the scope of automation. And then next stage is planning, design, and development stage. And then fourth stage is test execution. And then final stage is maintenance of the software. What are the tools used in automation testing? Actually, there are a lot of tools available in market for automation testing. Famous one is Selenium, as we know that. What is the advantages and disadvantages of automation testing? Actually, in automation testing, the test execution speed is high compared to manual testing, and then software test accuracy is improved, and then in the automation testing, human interaction is very less, and then it saves time and money, and also it improves the reliability of the test. What are the disadvantages? Actually, starting cost of automation is very high, and then always automation testing is not 100%. What is the difference between manual testing and automation testing? Manual testing, as name suggests, which is done manually. Automation testing is done using automation tools and scripts. Manual testing is time consuming, taking up human resources. automation testing is faster than manual testing because it is executed by the software tools. Manual testing is less efficient. Automation testing is more efficient. Manual testing is prone to human errors. In automation testing, there is no scope for human errors because we are using automation tools and scripts. Manual testing has a low test coverage. Automation testing has high test coverage. Manual testing test execution speed is very low. In automation testing, the test execution speed is high. Manual testing, it is not accurate all times, but it is more reliable. Automation testing. The initial investment of manual testing is reliably low, but the initial investment of automation testing is high. And then manual testing does not need programming effort, but testing requires programming. Thank you.